Installing the Brondell FreshSpa Thinline Precision Essential Bidet attachment is simple. Follow these steps to install and use your bidet. Remove your existing toilet seat and thoroughly clean your toilet. Turn off the toilet water supply at the shutoff valve at the wall. Flush your toilet and hold down the flush handle until the water is fully drained out of the tank. Unscrew the flexible water supply line from your fill valve under the toilet tank. Insert the black rubber washer into the provided T-valve and connect the T-valve to the fill valve under the toilet tank. Do not over-tighten. Reconnect the flexible supply line to the bottom of the T-valve. It is recommended to apply plumber's tape. Place circular mounting brackets into the circular openings of the bidet attachment. Place the bidet attachment on the toilet. Place the toilet seat back on your toilet. Adjust your bidet attachment and tighten your toilet seat in place. Attach the braided metal bidet hose to the water inlet under the bidet attachment. Connect the open end of the bidet hose to the open side of the T-valve. Slowly turn on the water supply valve and check for leaks. Congratulations! Your bidet attachment installation is complete. Please refer to the owner's manual for additional instructions on how to properly operate and maintain your bidet.